The 3 customer testimonials on Marviva's homepage read like they were pulled from a stock testimonial template rather than sourced from an outside review platform. Pleasant, generic, and impossible to verify independently. That's a small thing, but it's a useful starting point for understanding what kind of store martviva.com actually is. The site sells a wide catalog of inexpensive trend-driven accessories, hair clips and wraps, layered necklaces and rings, sunglasses, a magnetic wellness ring, tattoo numbing cream, and a handful of skincare items. Almost all priced in a narrow $12.95 to $24.95 range, after a consistent markdown from a slightly higher listed price. That kind of uniform discount across an entire catalog is typical of dropship style, storefronts sourcing similar products from the same suppliers. On the trust-checking side, Scam Advisor's automated assessment rates martviva.com as probably legitimate rather than a likely scam, though it also flags the domain as relatively young and notes lower than expected visitor traffic for a store of its apparent size, not red flags on their own, but reasons to do a bit more homework before a larger order. The site does include the pages you want to see: a real contact email, listed customer support hours, and separate policies for shipping, returns, and privacy. What I couldn't verify is anything about the actual delivery experience, since the testimonials shown aren't attributed to any platform I could independently check, and I didn't find a meaningful body of outside reviews on sites like Trustpilot to compare against. The magnetic wellness ring is worth a specific note too. Claims about magnetic jewelry providing health benefits aren't backed by strong scientific evidence, regardless of what any individual seller says. Taken together, martviva.com doesn't show the kind of glaring red flags that would make me call it an outright scam, but it hasn't earned strong independent verification either. I'd treat it the way I treat any new storefront: order something small first, use a payment method with buyer protection, and hold off on the wellness branded items unless you're buying them purely for the look.